Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here, and in today's video I'll be unboxing a new microneedling pen. So in my video where it was an advertisement video for GlowTreatment Studio, and somebody had commented down below and they were asking what pen was I using, and the pen is the Pretty Skin pen. I just didn't want to comment down on that video because that was for advertisement purposes and for potential clients and everything. But I did just receive today a new microneedling pen, and it is another Pretty Skin pen, a pretty pen. So this one is actually their gold pen, and I'm going to do an unboxing. I actually already unboxed this and I put it back in here for this video just because I wanted to see, but I wanted to show y'all like everything that comes in this kit pretty much. So this is the gold pen. Hopefully y'all can see it, but it is the gold pen. I already have the black pen. These are the Nano Cartridges as well as the Micro Cartridges, and then there's a charger for the pen too. So official, and the packaging is so cute. So the charger, it comes with the wall piece as well as the cord for the wall piece and the pen. Yeah, I just love that it comes with its own charging situation, meaning that it's wireless. And here is the pretty pen. Hopefully you can see, but it says Pretty Skin over here, and this is where you adjust the needle depth, and here is where you would charge your pen. The other cool thing about her pens, and if you don't already know who Pretty Skin is, go check her out. I'll leave her Instagram right here. She is a bomb esthetician. Her work speaks for itself, and yeah, go check her out. But also, if you go to her Instagram, do not go all up in her DM asking her a bunch of questions. Take one of her courses or a few of her courses. All right, so back to the cool thing about her pens. They have LED lights. So you can see there's the red, green, blue, and then there's a mix of the lights as well. So you can get some light therapy into your services, which I love. And then there's an on and off button for this. And there's different levels to the power button. And now onto the cartridges. This pretty packaging. So here are the cartridges. Here are the Nano Cartridges, and they are gold. Love, love, love. Already have some of these. She threw in some microneedling cartridges as well, so let me show those. So these are another Nano, and they come pre-cut, so you can easily detach them. Okay, so those were all the Nano cartridges, and here are the microneedle cartridges, all gold. And I believe she has standard microneedle cartridges as well as advanced needles, so definitely check those out. I think she might be sold out again, so you definitely need to go follow her, and when she drops another pen sale or needle sale, then definitely go check her out. But yeah, whatever Miss Pretty Professor comes out with, I pretty much get, because yeah, I'm learning from one of the best. So yeah, definitely go check those out. And that is all that I have for you today. If you enjoyed this unboxing or you'd like me to do more unboxings, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Yep, and I will see you in my next one.